As the communication expert at a Catholic nonprofit, you have zero time, but you know you need video to advance your mission. So here's how to make a video in 2 hours or less. First, streamline the idea generating process. Write down the purpose of the video, who you want to reach, and what you want them to do. Then write down a number of pain points, keeping that person from that action. Now you have a well of inspiration to draw your ideas from. Next, keep it pointed and short. A 60-second video is about 150 words, and you can fit 1 or 2 key ideas in it. Set a timer for 15 minutes and write out that script, then read it aloud to make sure it flows. To record, don't waste time on a lot of setup. Light is the most important for quality. Find the biggest window and turn your face toward it, and try to get away from the background as far as possible. Use your phone to record and download a teleprompter app. The words will scroll on the screen as you simultaneously record it, so you don't have to memorize. Finally, keep editing simple. Select the best take, chop off the beginning and end, then add your logo. Ta-da! You're done. You have one fast-tracked, high-impact video ready to go. Like and subscribe to get more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you to grow your outreach with video.